Problem number 2. Figure shows a three-particle system with masses m1 which is equal to 2 kilogram, m2 which is equal to 4 kilogram, and m3 which is equal to 8 kilogram. The scales on the axis are set by x of s which is equal to 2 meter and y of s which is equal to 2 meter. And here we have to answer for three questions. The first question is, what is the x coordinate of the system's center of mass? And the second question, we have to find the answer for the y coordinate of the system center of mass. And in the third question, we have to give some explanation. If m3 is gradually increased, does the center of mass of the system shift towards or away from the particle, or it remains stationary? So we have to give some theoretical answer for the third part. So first of all, we find the answer for x coordinate and y coordinate, and later on we will give the answer for the third part. So let's see the given figure. What is given in the figure? So three particle systems are mentioned in the graph. So m1 is located at origin, and also they mention the maximum range for x as well as the y is set as 2 meters. That means you can see the x of s value they set 2 meter here. Likewise, the y of s which is equal to 2 meter. So that means here each box is 1 meter. That means this is 1, this is 2 meter. Likewise, this is 1 meter and that one is 2 meter. Now we have to identify the location of the three particles, which is the m1, m2, m3 locations we have to identify. So what is the location of m1, which is at the origin? So 0, 0 is the location of m1. So which is nothing but x1 value, y1 value. Likewise, we have to come for m2. The location of m2 is 2, 1. Why? Because you can see x-axis value, the maximum is 2 and y-axis value is 1. So that's the reason we mentioned the location of mass 2 is 2, 1, which is x2, y2. And then the location of the third particles is nothing but 1, 2, 1, 2. So x-axis value is 1 and y-axis value is 2. So this is our x3 and y3. Now we have to substitute all the values in the given rule. As we already studied the rules in the theory, finding the x center of mass, the rule is the x center of mass is given by the rule m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So now I'm going to substitute the values in the given rule. So the value of m1, which is 2 kilogram, m2 is 4 kilogram, and m3 is 8 kilogram, and its respective x1, x2, x3. I'm going to take the value from the graph, and then we'll get the answer for the first part, that is our a part. So let's substitute the value. What is the mass 1 value, which is 2 kilograms? So 2 multiplied by the value of x1 is 0 plus m2 value is 4 kilogram. The value of x2 is 2, and likewise for the third mass m3, its mass is 8 kilogram and its x3 value is 1, and which is divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3, which is 2 plus 4 plus 8. So here anything multiplied by 0 is 0, so this term will be 0. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 plus 8 multiplied by 1 is 8 divided by, so 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14. So here we got the answer 16 over 14, which is nothing but 1.14 meters. So that's the value of x center of mass. That's the value of x center of mass. So I can write x center of mass, which is 1.14 meter. So likewise, we have to find the value of y center of mass, which is our second part. So y center of mass rule, which is equal to m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus m3 y3 is divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Now I'm going to substitute the values here. So the value of m1, which is 2 kilogram, and the location of y1 is 0, plus m2 value is 4 kilogram and its y2 value is 1, and the value of m3 is 8 kilogram. The value of y3 is 2 divided by 2 plus 4 plus 8. Now we have to simplify these values. So 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. So 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, plus 8 multiplied by 2 is 16 divided by 14. So 2 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. So we got the answer here as 20 divided by 14. So which is exactly equal to 1.43 meter. So that is our value of Y center of mass. Now we find the answer for part A and part B, and for part C, what they ask, suppose if M3 is gradually increased, they ask whether the center of mass of the system shift towards M3 or away from M3, or it will be remain stationary. So what we studied in theory, whenever the mass, when the system of the mass, any one of the mass will get increased, the center of mass will be shifted towards that mass, right? So how come we can give the answer for the third part? For giving the answer for the third part, we have to write the center of mass. The center of mass will move towards the heavier mass. The heavier mass. Hence M3 is increased. Hence M3 is increased because here your M3 value is 8 kilogram, right? So hence M3 is increased. So the center of mass move towards M3. So this is the answer for part C. That's it. Thank you.